Welcome children, welcome in S.St class. Children, chapter number 5, the Southern Plateau. In previous video, I told you about that Narmada river divides the Southern Plateau into two parts. One is the Central Highland, that is in the north, and in the south, the Deccan Plateau. Okay children? And the Central Highlands include the Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Today I'll tell you about the Deccan Plateau, that is in the south side. Children, as I told you, what is a plateau? Plateau is an area of flat land that is higher than the surrounding area. Okay, it is also called tableland. Okay children, this is clear? Plateau, this is clear? So Deccan Plateau lies south of the river Narmada and Satpura hills. Okay, you just see in the map. Just see in the map. Here you will see that Deccan Plateau lies south of the river Narmada and Satpura hills. Okay, we can see Deccan Plateau extends from the Satpura hills in the north to Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of India, ending in the Indian Ocean. Okay, clear? So, you just see one more map of southern plateaus, and this map, it's very much clear. You can see all the rivers here. Rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, okay, Kaveri. You can see all the rivers here. These are seasonal rivers. They dry up in summers if there is no rain. Okay, these are seasonal rivers. And the rivers from the Himalayas, that are perennial rivers. And these are seasonal rivers. Okay children, I'm just showing you again. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Deccan Plateau. Okay children, these are seasonal rivers. These rivers flow from west to east into Bay of Bengal. Here is Bay of Bengal, here is Arabian Sea, okay, and here is Indian Ocean. So these rivers, which rivers? Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, these seasonal rivers, okay, flow from west to east in the Bay of Bengal. Okay children, this is clear? And now I'm telling you about some hills, name of the hills. On the western ghats lie the Shyadri, Nilgiri, Anaimalai and Cardamom hills. I'm just showing you, you just see hills. These are the hills. See here, Nilgiri hills, okay, Anaimalai hill, Nilgiri hills in Tamil Nadu, Anaimalai hills, and here Cardamom hills in Kerala, okay, and Shyadri hills in Karnataka. And you know, Jog Fall, highest in India, is in Shyadri hills in Karnataka. Jog Fall, highest waterfall in India. So it is clear. So you just see here. And one more thing, Godavari, that is the longest river in this plateau, in this Deccan Plateau, that is the longest river. Which river is the longest river? Godavari is the longest river. Okay children, now it's clear. So you have to keep in mind all the names of the hill, the Shyadri, Nilgiri, Anaimalai and Cardamom hills. Okay children, clear? Now you just see. And one more thing, Anaimudi Peak in Kerala. Anaimudi Peak, that is the highest peak in Deccan Plateau. Okay, as you know, highest peak in the world, that is Mount Everest. But we are talking about Anaimudi, and that is in Deccan Plateau. I'm talking about the highest peak in Deccan Plateau, and that is Anaimudi. Okay, beta, Anaimudi. And now I'll tell you about the states that are located in Deccan Plateau. And the states are Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. These are the states they are located, okay, and Kolar gold mines that are in Karnataka, okay. You just keep in mind all the things, beta. So it's clear the rivers are seasonal rivers. Jogfall, one of the highest waterfalls in India, is located on the Shyadri river in Karnataka. Okay, and rivers, I told you the name, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, these are very fertile. Deltas of these rivers are very fertile and are good for rice cultivation. And here black soil in this region is suitable for the cultivation of cotton and sugarcane. Okay, children. Now we'll discuss about the climate. Okay, children. Climate. Summer is hot and dry. Climate. Summer is hot and dry in this region. Hot winds and dust storms are very common here. Hot winds and dust storms are very common here. During the monsoon, rainfall along the eastern and western Ghats is heavy. The rest of the area receives moderate rainfall. In most part of southern India, the winter season is short and mild. People need to wear only light woolen clothes during this season. Okay, children? Now we'll discuss about the vegetation. Okay, vegetation. Though there are numerous industries and mines in this area, then after, agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Agriculture is the main occupation. Okay, wheat, jawar, millets and cotton are grown in the black fertile soil of Malwa Plateau and parts of the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The two plateaus basically include the state of Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Okay, children. The crops grown in this region are rice, groundnut, cotton, sugarcane, jawar, vegetables and fruits. Okay. So you have to read very carefully this page from page number 42, half this part, and page number 43 up to 44 up to here. Okay, and I'm telling you all the things again. You just keep in mind that the Deccan Plateau is in the south. Okay, and this region is rich in minerals. Okay, minerals, gold, coal, these things, minerals. Okay, what are minerals? I told you that minerals are substances like gold, coal or oil found naturally on the earth. Okay, these are minerals. Gold, coal, oil, these are minerals. And this region is rich in minerals. And the Deccan Plateau, on the western Ghats lie the Shyadri, Nilgiri, Anaimalai and Cardamom Hills. And you have to keep in mind the states Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And which is the longest river here in the Deccan Plateau? Godavari is the longest river. And the rivers are seasonal here. You just keep in mind. Seasonal rivers. These rivers dry up in summer if there is no rain. Okay? ये perennial rivers नहीं होती हैं. These are seasonal rivers. Okay, and Kolar gold mines are located here. Karnataka में है Kolar gold mines. Okay, beta. And rivers के name you have to keep in mind: Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and states you have to keep in mind. And you know, hills you just keep in mind: Nilgiri, Anaimalai, Cardamom Hills, Shyadri Hills. Okay. And rivers flow from west to east. West to east. Okay. ये देखिए west. This is west side. West से east side पे जाती है. West to east. These rivers flow from west to east into Bay of Bengal. Okay. Just keep in mind all the things. Okay. And the Deccan Plateau is bounded by the Western Ghat in the west. So this is Western Ghat and this is Eastern Ghats. Okay. Just keep in mind all these things. Okay. The highest peak in this region is Anai Modi. Okay, children. Read these pages very carefully, and in next video we'll discuss about the life in the southern plateaus. So children, have a nice time. Okay.